Football. Well, that game is often called the world's most beautiful game. It brings people together, it creates unforgettable memories, it unites cities and inspires generation. But sometimes the emotion that makes sport so powerful, it can also become difficult to control. And that's exactly what happened in Paris. What should have been a night remembered for the sporting history, it quickly became a night demonstrated and dominated by pictures of unrest. Paris Saint-Germain. It had achieved a remarkable victory. Fans flooded the streets to celebrate. Fireworks illuminated the night sky. Crowds gathered in huge number. Songs echoed through the city. In fact, the atmosphere that was electric. But as the celebration grew larger, tensions began to rise. Clashes broke out in several areas. Police were deployed in the large numbers. In the meantime, tear gases they were used to disperse the angry crowd. Hundreds of people they were reportedly detained as authorities struggled to restore the order. In the meantime, public transport was disputed, vehicles were damaged, businesses were affected, and scenes of joy rapidly transformed into scenes of confrontation. Now, for many residents, it was a reminder of how quickly events can change when large crowds gather and emotions run high. Well, a single incident, it can trigger wider unrest. A moment of celebration, it can suddenly become a security challenge. Tonight, Paris is reflecting on a night that should have been remembered only for the football glory. Instead, questions are now being asked about public safety, crowd management, and how major cities can prevent celebrations from turning into disaster. Because sometimes the biggest challenge is not winning a historic victory, it is managing what happens after the final whistle. And finally, tonight we leave behind the politics, conflict, and street unrest to look forward and look towards something far beyond our planet. Can you imagine sitting at your home on an ordinary day? The weather seems normal, life is moving as usual, and then suddenly the sky erupts with bright flashes of light. Moments later, a loud boom it echoes across the region, windows shaking, houses vibrate, social media explodes with question. What just happened? Was it an explosion? Was it a military activity? Was it some kind of accident? Well, for thousands of people in Massachusetts, those questions became even real. According to NASA, a large meteor it entered Earth's atmosphere, and that too at extraordinary speed before exploding high above the ground with the energy equivalent to roughly 300 tons of TNT. Wait, let the number sink in for the moment. 300 tons of TNT. The meteor was traveling at tens of thousands of meters per hour when it entered the atmosphere. As it raced through the sky, friction it generated a lot of heat, turning the object into a bright fireball visible across a wide area. Eventually, a meteor broke apart, and that meteor released a powerful shockwave that kind of produced a loud boom heard by the residents. Here, many people initially they feared something far more serious. Some reported their homes shaking. Others described seeing a sudden flash unlike anything they had witnessed before. Scientists quickly moved to investigate and reassure the public. Fortunately, there was no major impact on the ground, no missile strike, no satellite crash, no security threat. Instead, it was a spectacular reminder of the dynamic universe that surround our planet every single day. Well, many meteors they burn up very harmlessly in the Earth's atmosphere, but occasionally one creates a show dramatic enough to capture the attention of the entire region. And tonight, while the world remains focused on war, politics, and international tension, this extraordinary event serves as a reminder that sometimes the biggest stories come not from the Earth, but from the vast universe behind it.